So when the gods are fighting, because you are present, they are so emboldened by your presence that they create this big noise of dumi dumi, dun dumi nada, and all this brings terror and astonishment in the heart of your enemies, of their enemies. And mukhari krita tigma kare, you keep all these gods in this state of excitement and you proceed to battle, showing great anger on your face, and lift up your arm, which holds the deadly weapons. All the weapons are deadly weapons in the hand of the goddess to strike the demons.
This is only one side of the goddess.
And then, this is again one more of the goddess in the battlefield, and you can see it. Ai nija hung kriti ma.
This is the description of Mahishasura's killing, and that's why it is more the how she kills the demons to protect her children from the invading evil. This is why more her warrior-like capacities are described.
This is for another 3 or 4 verses. After that, it's the description of the goddess as the mother and ocean of compassion. So, ai nija hung kriti matra nirakrita dhumra vilochana dhumrashate. So, when you by your own powers simply say, that itself makes great volumes of smoke and bright light emanate from your mouth, and these 2 demons, Dhumra and Vilochan, they just got completely annihilated. Samara Vishoshita Shonita Bija Samudra Vashonita Bijalate. So Shonit Bija is the same as Rakta Bija, and in the battlefield you sucked out the blood of that terrible demon, and whenever any drops fell of this demon on the earth from your mouth, more such Rakta Bijas came up. Shiva Shiva Shumbha Nishumbha Mahahava Tarpita Bhuta Pishacharate. So this means that these demons, these Rakta Bijas, and Shumbha and Nishumbha, who are the other demons, you kill them all, and on their blood, all these ghosts and ghouls that go around Lord Shiva, saying Shiva Shiva, they had a big feast of that blood. So you as mother of compassion, you even look after these ghosts and ghouls because they say the name of Lord Shiva. Dhanuranu Sanga Ranakshana Sanga Parisfura Danga Natat Katake. So this means that in the battlefield, Dhanura is your bow and your arms are moving so much together, you're so absorbed that your arm is moving continuously, shooting arrows at the enemies. And your whole body is moving as if you're dancing, and your your bracelets are going natat katake. So they are also making musical sounds. So the goddess, even though she is fighting the demons, she is doing it with such grace and beauty. Kanaka Pishanga Prushatka Nishanga Rasad Bhata Shrunga Hata Vatuke. You who destroyed this demon Vatuke, Vatuk is the demon, and from your arrows in the battlefield, flashes of gold and yellow and light come out, and sounds which are very pleasing to the ear. Krita Chaturanga Balakshiti Ranga Ghatad Bahuranga Ratad Batuke. Now here Batuke is Bhairava, and the gods also are filled with great enthusiasm when they see you fighting, and they are fighting beside you, that the quivers on their backs shine forth with new colors. And seeing all this, Lord Bhairava, who's dancing in front of you, starts dancing in great ecstasy. And I'm sure he must be saying, Jai Mataji, Jai Mataji. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaya Jaya Jap Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tatpara Vishwanute. So when we say your name and say it again and again, then we come into great meditation, and then there is no need for any more sounds or language, and immediately we can come at your tatpara. We come immediately and prostrate ourselves before you, you who is the queen of the whole universe, or you bring salvation to the whole universe. Bhana bhana bhinjimi bhinkrita nupura sinjita mohita bhutapate. Bhutapate is the Lord of the Bhutas, that is Lord Shiva. And when he hears your ornaments, which is nupura, making these sounds like bhana bhana, bhinjimi and bhinkriti, he who is beyond sound, but when he hears this, he leaves his own meditation and he wants to hear that sound again and again.
This is Kavita.
Natita natanartha, natita natanartha, nati natanayaka, natita natya suganarate. So, once you took the form, O great goddess, of Sri Ardhanarishwara, half Shiva, half Sri Parvati. And when you danced in the company of other dancers, including Lord Shiva, who is supposed to be the Lord of the cosmic dance, your dance puts them all to shame. And when you dance your divine dance, the greatest musicians and singers accompany you. That's something for you. Aisumana, Aisumana, Sumana, 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 Sumanohara Kantiyute, Shritaraj.
One on the word Subana.
So, Sumana could mean the one who has the beautiful mana, the mind. Or Sumana is also a flower, like a very soft, beautiful flower. Or Sumana is also the combined form, or the mana of the combined form of Sri Parvati and Lord Shiva. And Sumana also means that your whole being, your form is so beautiful. And Sumanohara, and seeing all this, you make our minds, who are your devotees, absolutely pure and beautiful. And Kantiyute, all kinds of lights emanate from you because you are totally effulgent. This we have seen. Shrita Rajani, 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 Rajani Kara Vakravrite. So, Shrita Rajani is the night. Rajani here means night or darkness. Then the darkness takes refuge in you because you are the light, the darkness dissolves in you. Rajani also means that you are very beautiful. Rajani means also the one whose arti we do. Ajani also means the one who has no birth, who is totally eternal. And Rajani is also a lotus and Kara is the hand. So you hold a lotus in your hand. Vakravrite, your noble face shines like a full moon. Sunayana Vibhrama Rabbrahma 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 Radhipate. Sorry. Yeah, every Rajani is different. Even like Brahmara actually means the black bees. So many times these black bees also have been her ganas, and
Ganas can be made into Brahmaras.
her ganas, the goddesses' ganas have been made into black bees and have been sent to destroy. And her name is also Brahmaramba. And also black bees, because the Brahmara means black bees, are the ones that pollinate, go from flower to flower. So they are the ones who give the realization from person to person, giving the power. Then the sound of the Brahmaras, the buzzing of the bees, is like the sound of the Kundalini rising in the Sushumna Nadi. And the Brahmara also, when the clusters of the Brahmara, when we see, Sunayana means the beautiful eyes, and Vibhrama there, it means that your dark eyebrows are like clusters of black bees. And she's also Brahmaradhipate because, as one mentioned earlier, that by moving her eyebrows up and down, the three lines on her forehead are the three worlds themselves, and she creates and dissolves these worlds simply by moving her Brahmaras. Shall I go ahead? Sahita Mahahava Mallata Mallika Mallita Rallaka Mallarate Virachita Vallika Pallika Mallika Bhillika Bhillika Vargavrite Sitakrita Pulli Samullasitarunam Tallaja Pallava Sallalite. This I think I will hand over the mic with your permission to Shiva. This translation. Especially the last one.
Huh? I mean, I can't praise myself. You better read it.
You see, Mallas are great wrestlers who fight with their own arms. They don't use any weapons. So these Mallas come into the battlefield. This is in the first line. And you battle with them in the same way as they fight. And you tire them out, and you become totally absorbed in the battle, and you plan to fight them in the same way. And they have been harassing the Bhil tribes. The Bhils are the Adivasis, means the aboriginals who live in the forests. So the whole Bhil tribes have been harassed by these Mallas, but you fight with them and destroy them, and the Bhil tribals are very happy that you are doing this. Then, continuing of the forest similes, it says that your actions are so beautiful. Like Sal Lalite is also that you have done all this as a great fine art. And you see the rising of the sun, the rays of the sun in the morning as it rises. That is Sita Aruna. Or the Tallaja Pallava would mean the trees and the leaves of the forest as well. And all this, the Sitakrita is where you have your own actions are such that they have completely cooled us, or they've created the sort of cool shivers or the goosebumps you feel.
Shivers. With the cooling, they get the shivers. I mean, it's a poetry, you see. That all these, you see, I'm always worried about aboriginals. You must have heard many a time saying that what the Spanish did and why did they try like that. And I'm always concerned because they are Adijana. They are the primordial people. And they have been ruined by so many people. So that's what they are saying, that when she kills those demons who have troubled these Bhilla, means the people who live in the jungles, then all the leaves and all the trees are vibrated by her joy, and they shine. That's what it is.
I don't know if this is there. Avirala Ganda Galanda Mada Meru Galanda Mada Medura Matta Matan Gajarajapate. So here the Gajarajapate is again the lord of all, the king of elephants, or rather the king elephant himself. The dignity with which he carries himself and the way he holds his neck and his movement, and also that his throat is filled with nectar. And this means that with the goddess, your neck is lifted up like that of a king of elephants with dignity and prestige. Your carriage is very regal, and your speech is filled with nectar. Tribhuvana Bhushana Bhuta Kalanidhi Rupa Payonidhi Rajasute. So Tribhuvana Bhushanas, you're the ornament of all the three worlds. That is, you're the most beautiful, shining ornament or jewel of the... It's difficult to do exact translation into English. Tribhuvana Bhushana Bhuta Kalanidhi. That which brings the beauty. The Bhushan is that which brings to the glory. So Bhuta Kalanidhi, so you are that ocean of various arts of creation, and you are Rupa Payonidhi. That means that you are the ocean of beauty. Rajasute, you are the daughter of a king or your great princess. Aisudati jana lala samanasa mohana manmatha rajasute.
See, it takes many forms. Ocean of many forms.
Rupa Payonidhi is ocean of many forms, each one more beautiful than the other. Aisudati jana lala samanasa mohana manmatha rajasute. So the children of Diti, that is the demons, they, by your very forms and your very beauty, they become pure. And their baser self is not excited, but they become people with pure minds. So even those who are not good, you can make them completely pure. As in today's drama, Shrimataji just mentioned to us. Kamala dalamala komala kanti kala kalitamala bhalalate. So Kamala is lotus, Dalamala is a cluster of lotuses. Komal Kanti means that from these lotuses you make them emit a beautiful, gentle kind of a light, and you have the arts or you have the powers to make them blossom. And when they do that, you take these lotuses and put them in your hair. It means that by your own power of desire, you can make the Sahasrara lotuses blossom. And when they do, these clusters of pure lotuses then emanate the beautiful light of self-realization. So, Sakala Vilasa Kalanila Yakrama Keli Chalat Kala Hansakule. So, the swans are ones that can discriminate between, say, milk and water, or discriminate between good and evil. And these heavenly swans are around you, and when they recognize your great work, which brings such joy, they get filled with joy and they move around in an excited manner. This is also your connection, as that because you are Sri Saraswati and you are at the Sri Hansa Chakra is the one that you open up. Alikula Sankula Kuvalaya Mandala Mauli Miladda Bhakulali Kule. So clusters of bees, as they are attracted to groups of flowers, the same way the stars and all the planets, they are attracted and they come and take their abode on your forehead. Now this is again with the tribals and in the forest, the description of the goddess there. Karamurli Rava Vijita Kujita Lajjita Kok Vijita Kujita Lajjita Kokila Manjumate. Manjumate, it means that your very mind or intelligence is music personified, yours. So your mind is totally, the intelligence is totally as music personified. And when you in your hand take the murli, which is the flute, even the whole forest is filled with that beautiful sound, and even the nightingale is put to shame.
Wawa, wawa, wawa.
Milita pulinda manohara gunjita ranjita shaila nikunjagate. Alright. So manohara gunjita, it's milita pulinda is that your very being around us gives that ecstatic feeling which we know we feel, and all our hair stands on end and we get goose pimples. The same way, this then gives the manohara gunjita. Gunjita is the sound of the bees buzzing. So you have this beautiful sound, very pleasing to the mind, of the bees buzzing, which is the rising of the kundalini. And you who lives on the mountains, on the Shaila, you make the whole mountain very excited, is ranjita, ecstatic, that all the shrubs, in the same simile that the hair on your hand stands up, the same way the shrubs get vibrated and start blossoming.
The hair on the mountain. You are sitting on the mountain feels so happy because you are there, and because the mountain is so happy, so the hair stand on their ends, means they have become pulakita. And when they get that feeling, also the shrubs, which are the hair in the body of the mountain, they also become pulakita. Pulakita is a Sanskrit word, or Marathi also we have pulakita. Means when you are filled with feelings, you see how your whole body starts getting this beautiful feeling of hair raising is not a good word.
Maybe like, do you feel grace or blissful? Or
I don't think there's
Nijaguna bhuta mahashabari gana sadguna sambrita kelitale. So here again it.
On the mountains there are these aboriginal women who have got their original good character and original a very natural life. They are very natural ones, you see. And so when they get these shrubs being vibrated, they also get into a very playful mood. It is to make them happy because they are living in the jungles, you see, the nature.
Now we have the form of the goddess when we have done her puja and we are ready for her darshan. So, Katita Tapita Dukula Vichitra Mayuk Thir Askri Mayuktir Askrita Chandra Ruche Pranata Surasura Mauli Manisfura Damshula Sannaka Chandra Ruche Jirakanakachala Mauli Padorjita Nirbhara Kunjara Kumbha Kuche. So Chandra Ruche is one who is fond of the moon. You are the one who is fond of the moon because of the spirit. Or also moon because you are Shishivani, so you have the moon in your lux. And the yellow clothes you wear around your waist emanate multicolored lights that even put the peacock to shame. And they're so brilliant, the clothes that you wear. And the next line is that the multitude of gods and demons, all of them prostrate themselves at your lotus feet. And that many jewels in their crowns give off very brilliant lights. But the light emanating from your toenails is so great that those lights of their jewels is not even the smallest particle of the light from your toenails. And the next line is translated that your entire, in the front when we decorate the goddess, is covered with gold ornaments, and the garlands reach down to your feet, and they make everything, and they worship your feet, making it more beautiful. And your entire form is, though like how would you Nirbhara Kunjara Kumbha Kuche.
See that, that you feel so as if you are absolutely secured. You look like as if there is no, you are standing without any support, absolutely with equanimity.
Vijita Sahasra Karaika Sahasra Karaika Sahasra Karaika Nute. So, you are victorious over demons, thousands of demons who have thousands of hands. And we, all your devotees who are of so many thousands, with our thousands of hands we bow down to you. And with the 1,000 petals of our Sahasraras, we bow down to you and prostrate ourselves before you, you who is the one with 1,000 arms. Kritasura Taraka Sangara Taraka Sangara Taraka Sununute. So Tarkasura is a demon, and he fought with the gods, but the goddess sent her son, brave son Kartikeya, into the battle, and he saved them. Suratha Samadhi Samana Samadhi 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 Sujatarate. So this good effort that one can make, which is really the effortless Samadhi, we get this effortless Samadhi because of your compassion. And Samana Samadhi, you put everyone into collectivity, into Samadhi which is totally collectivity. And Samadhi means that you are finally that Samadhi of Samadhi. Samadhi means very deep, intense meditation. And Sujatarate is you work very hard for the benevolent and auspicious second birth of others. So this is about Sahaj Yogis. Padam Kamalam Karuna Nilaye Varivasti Yo Nudin Nam Sashive. So whoever puts his complete attention on your lotus feet every day, all the time, you who is Shive and of ultimate compassion and surrenders there, that person is blessed with salvation. Ai Kamale Kamala Nilaya Sakatham na bhavate. So I too, if I will put all my attention on your lotus feet, which are the form of Sri Lakshmi and the home of Sri Lakshmi, I too will get all my wealth and prosperity. Why will I not get wealth and prosperity if I put my attention and pray to your lotus feet? Because the feet of the goddess are the abode of Sri Lakshmi. Tava padameva param padamityam nushila yato mama kim na shive. So only your divine feet are the ones that can give salvation. And so if I surrender myself there, surely I will also get salvation. The highest form, the highest state I will gain. So, Kanakalasata Sindhu Jalairanu Kanakalasita Kala Sindhu Jalairanu Sinchinute Gunaranga Bhuvam. So this is a Mahalakshmi Tattva, that the golden, you are golden, and all these golden waters of the oceans are offered to you.
When the waves rise and there's a golden line on all the cusps of the thing. That's what it is. It's a poem.
Bhajati sa kim na shachi. Yes, and this golden this glow of the waters which are used for doing your worship, they give the colors to your palaces of those who are worshipping you, so that they become much richer. Bhajati sa kim nakim na shachi kuch kumbha tati parirambha sukha nubhavam. So those who offer their complete prayers to such a goddess who is so bountiful is bound to attain the highest happiness. Tava charana sharana karavani natamaravani nivasi shivam. So why should I also not take enjoyment at your lotus feet and say your prayers with all my hands and with great humility sing your praises? Tava vimalendu kulam vadanendu malam sakalam nanukulayate. So your clear face without any blemish is like a full moon, and there is absolutely no blemish at all on your face, and you have this radiating beauty, and it removes all the misery and evil from this world. Kim puruhutta purindu mukhi sumukhi bhirasau vimukhi kriyate. And your whole, this is the description of the Sahajyogis, that your family of the Sahajyogis is so beautiful that you will not be able, you're not able to turn your face away from this city, which is full of the people who are the Sahajyogis, your children, who have the faces like a full moon.
It's away from your own family. This is my cooler.
You will never turn your face away from your own family. Thank you.
Lives in a city and which has got no blemish on their faces, no blemish in their character.
So no blemish on the character. Mamatu matam shivanama dhane bhavati kripiya kimuta kriyate. So please, O great goddess, please do not delay anymore. Please give me the self-realization. Give me the fruit and wealth which is obtained by constantly saying the name of Lord Shiva. So please give that action, do that action which gives me complete salvation. Ay mai deen dayalutaya kripayaiva tvaya bhavitva. Sorry, I have to say it in, look at it here.
Sanskrit mein asan. I come from Roman language.
Ay mai deen dayalutaya kripayaiva tvaya bhavati vyumume. So you are the great Uma, who is Shri Parvati, and the compassion that you show to the poor and the afflicted, please shower that compassion on me also, who is your devotee. Ay jagato janani kripayasi yathasi tathanubhita sirate. So you are the one who gives that highest experience. Please, O Mother of all the worlds, you who are the essence of all that is best, please give me salvation. Yaduchitra matra bhavatyurari karuta durutapa mapakurute. So my attention which keeps wandering and the heat that is there inside me and the obstacles and all that, you know best how to remove it. You know best how to take care of my spiritual growth. So please, without delay, make me grow spiritually. Jai Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Sakshat Shri Adishakti Shri Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha.
Only this row balloon was वहाँ के जो बलून है नहीं हिल रहे थे अब यही हिल रहे थे जो ऊपर के थे सिर्फ यही हिल रहे थे हाँ जी बाकी दो नहीं हिल रहे बिल्कुल
Sadhani, when did Adi Shankaracharya live? When, in which time? How long ago? You wrote
Much before that was Markandeya, 14,000. I have feeling Markandeya took the birth. This is just the B part of it. All right, now I think with this knowledge, tomorrow's puja will be much deeper for all of you. May God bless you.